In this video, I will show you how to add music to your YouTube Shorts on PC. First, log into your YouTube account. Click on your profile icon on the top right corner. Now select the option YouTube Studio. Next, click on Content in the YouTube Studio dashboard. Then go to the Shorts tab section and select the short you want to add music to by clicking on the Edit button. Now select the editor and it will give you a few options. Hover on the audio option and click the plus sign. You will have access to the YouTube audio library. You can browse the music available or add a filter to find specific tracks. For this example, I want happy music. Apply the filter and play a track to see if you like it. Once satisfied, click on the Add button and it will go on to the short. Keep in mind that it will replace any audio you have on the short. Click on the play button to see how it feels in your short. You can also remove the track by clicking on the three-dot icon on the right side or up here. I have decided to add a favorite track of mine using the search bar. To complete the changes, you want to click on the Save button. The changes will take some time depending on the length of the short. Wait for the processing time to finish and it will replace the previous version. Thanks for watching.